Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on sorting pages using a popular content management system. In this guide, you will learn how to adjust the order of your pages to ensure your site is organized exactly the way you want. To begin, start by navigating to the home page of the content management platform. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address that leads to the platform's website. Once the page loads, you will see various options available. When you have arrived at the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the login option. Click on this login button to proceed to access your account. The login process is straightforward and secure. By entering the correct credentials or choosing an alternative login method, you will soon find yourself in the administrative area of your website. After clicking login, the next step is to choose the Google sign-in option. The interface will prompt you to continue with Google, which simplifies the login process by allowing you to use your Google account. When you select this option, a list of available Google accounts you have previously added will be displayed. Click on the desired account from the list to complete the login process. This streamlined process is designed to save you time and ensure a secure connection. Once you are logged in, it is time to manage your pages. To locate the Pages section of your website, look for the navigation menu that directs you to various parts of your website management area. Click on the Pages option to view a list of all the pages you have created on your website. Here you will have an overview that helps you decide which pages you would like to reorder. Now that you have accessed the list of pages, you will notice a feature that lets you quickly edit each page. Look for the option that says Quick Edit. This is a simple way to make changes to a page without having to open a separate editing window. By clicking on this quick edit link, the page details are immediately editable, and you can start modifying the settings for that specific page. Within the quick edit menu, you will come across a field labeled Order. This field is where the sorting magic happens. Adjust the number inside this order field to determine where that particular page will appear relative to the others on your website. Lower numbers will typically put the page towards the top of the list, while higher numbers push the page further down. This provides a flexible system for arranging pages in the sequence that best fits your content display goals. When you have set the desired number in the order field, finalize your changes by clicking on the Update option. This action saves the changes you have made and immediately applies the new sorting order to your pages. This update process ensures the order you set is now live and visible on your website. Following these instructions will enable you to efficiently manage the order of your pages so your visitors can navigate your website with ease. Enjoy the improved control over your site layout and take advantage of this simple yet powerful method to keep your content organized.